In this video, I will discuss annuities part 2 series of features such as payout and withdrawal options. Coming up. Hey, what's up, Quantum Finance? Bringing you the best investments and helping you make most of your money grow and outlive your lifestyle. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Larry Ellison said, "I believe people have to follow their dreams." I did. When you invest in annuities, you have to choose how you want to eventually payouts to be calculated. Your payout options include income for a guaranteed period, lifetime payments, income for life with guaranteed period certain benefits, joint and venture survivor annuities. Let's go in depth one by one. Income for a guaranteed period, also called period certain annuity. You are guaranteed a specific payment about for a period of time, for a 30-year. If you die before the end of the period, your beneficiary will receive the remainder of the period for a guaranteed period. A lifetime payments. A guaranteed income payment during your lifetime only. There are no survivor benefits. The payments can be fixed or variable. The amount of the payment is determined by how much you invest and your life expectancy. At time of death, all payments stop. Your heirs don't get anything. Income for life with guaranteed periods, certain benefits, also called life with period certain. A combination of a life annuity and a period of certain annuity. You receive a guaranteed payment for life that includes a period certain phase. If you die during the period certain phase of the amount, your beneficiary will continue to receive the payment for the remainder of the period. Life with a 10-year period certain is a common agreement. If you die in a 5-year after you begin collecting, the payment continued to your survivor for 5 more years. Joint and annuity. Your beneficiary will continue to receive payments for the rest of his or her life after you die. A popular option for married couples. If you decide to withdraw the money, what do you do next? Withdrawing money from annuity can be very costly. So be sure you receive your plan rules and federal laws before you do. If you make a withdrawal before you reach 59 and a half, you're required to pay a 10% early withdrawal penalty as well as regular income tax on your investment earnings. The amount you contribute to the annuity will not be taxed. If you withdraw come within the first 5 to 7 years that you owe the annuity, you probably owe the insurance company a surrender charge. Surrender charge is typically 7% of your withdrawal amount if you leave just after 1 year. The fees then typically decline by 1% a year until you get to 0 after 7 or 8 years. Beware that some annuities have initial surrender charges that can be as high as 20%. Because some annuities allow you to withdraw up to 10% of your investment without having to pay the surrender charge. Please leave a smashed like button of your thoughts of this video today and any comments below. Thank you very much for watching my video. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you later.